This is the right way to go.
Mm-hmm.
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 Mm-hmm. Oh, I forgot to tie my shoes.
Bring your ass home.
Oh,
You leave me
fine.
here by myself.
Wait, you forgot to tie your shoes.
Oh, damn, yeah. Okay.
Alright. Wait. I forgot to tie my suit.
I forgot to tie my tie.
Alright, I gotta wipe my glasses off.
I wiped them off for you. You missed a spot.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, which way you want to go?
Left
or right?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Fuck this shit, I'm out. We're going left. You ready? 1.
Alright. 2.
2, 3.
3. Ah! I heard something!
Go, 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 go! Oh my god!
Oh god! Go, 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 go! Don't you fucking look back! You better find that fucking garage door, bro! Bro, hurry up! Hurry up! Oh, the car! The
Oh
car!
my God.
This came! Oh my... Mate! Go, 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 go!
It's right around here! It's right around here!
Oh Lord! Hurry up, hurry up! Go, go, go! Fix it!
I put it in! I put it in!
Fix the door! Fix the door! What are you doing? Fix the door! What are you doing? Hurry up!
I can't! No!